In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a manual payment method in Shopify. Manual payments are great if you want to let customers pay outside of the usual online gateways. For example, by bank transfer, money order, or a custom option like cash on delivery. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can set this up confidently in your store. First, sign into your Shopify admin and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you see your orders, products, and analytics. We'll be working from the left-hand side menu. From here, look to the bottom left and click on Settings. This opens a new page with all of your store's configuration options like shipping, taxes, and so on. We're interested in your payment settings. On the Settings page, find and click on Payments. This is where Shopify lists all the ways customers can pay you, including your primary payment provider, any alternative payment options, and the manual methods we're about to set up. Scroll down until you see the section for manual payment methods, then click on Manual Payment Method. This opens a panel where Shopify shows you the built-in manual options and the ability to create your own custom one. Now choose the type of manual payment you want to add. You'll see options like money order, bank deposit, and the option to create a custom payment method. For this example, select money order, but the process is very similar for the others. The key difference will be what details and instructions you provide to your customers. After selecting the method, you'll see a field for additional details. Click into this area and add a clear explanation of what this payment method is and any important information your customer should know. This might include where to send the payment, how long you'll hold an order while you wait for the money, and any reference details they should include so you can match the payment to their order. Next, click into the payment instructions field and do the same, but think of this section as a step-by-step guide for your customer at checkout. Write it as simple, direct instructions, such as what to do after placing the order, how to send the payment, and how you will confirm it. Once you're happy with the details and instructions, scroll down and click on Activate. This will turn on the manual payment method and make it available as an option at checkout for your customers. That's it. You've successfully added a